Yo, welcome back to Crypto Moonshots. So today I'm going to be talking about a hidden gem that I think will explode very, very soon, in the medium term to short term, and I'll show you guys why. In this video, I'm not going to get into too much depth of the technical analysis. I'll explain to you why later, but for now, I just want to quickly just look at like what's been going on with Cody. I don't know how to say it, but um, let's just like look at this. Like this has been the trajectory so far, right? It's just been going up and up and up. Kind of similar to Chili's, um, which and VeChain, which are just kind of follows the same pattern of just keeps going up and up and up, and little bit corrections, little bit corrections, and let me tell you why that I'm deciding to kind of put this coin out there on my channel. And the reason for that is because of this. So if we come to CoinMarketCal and we search up COTI or whatever, God, I don't know how to say it, but um, look at the amount of events they have tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, and it's trending and it's under the hot category on CoinMarketCal. ADA Pay, right? Debit and card and bank account, exchanges, whatever, Ultra 2.0, exchange license, added liquidity, ledger. I mean, it's insane. April 1st, right? Um, Node capacity increase. They will increase communities' nodes capacity so that they can stake more coins and stuff. So look at the amount of events they're coming out with, and these are not just like some shabby events, right? These guys are like Cardano has it's linked with Cardano, right? And they have like what 8,000 votes, 3,000 votes, 2,000, 2,000. So if we look at it again, like look at that trend. Like if we were to just you know just zoom out, right, and not go into the trenches of things, and maybe go on the whoops, let's go to the 4 hour, and let's just zoom out a little bit here. Let's just zoom out, and let's just draw a quick trend line, right, from the swing lows, right, and then we'll draw the swing highs. We'll take this swing high right here. I mean, just look at that. If that's not bullish, I don't know what is, right? I mean, look at that trajectory, right? Like if like we touched down here, right? Almost touched it. Like if we were to, go up because of these events, like you're looking at almost like a 50% gain in the short term, right? In the next, I don't know, week or two, right? 50% is pretty good, right? Some people don't get annual returns on stocks in 50%. So yeah, so the hidden gem I want to talk about today was Coti or Cody. I really don't know how to say it, but um, yeah, man, it's gone up insane amounts, man. 3,000% in the last year. Green across the board except the past hour, 40%. And I really do think that these events are going to push it. We'll see if I'm right or wrong, but again, trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. I'm going to be picking up a bag for sure. Um, so, yeah, that's all I wanted to go over today. Thank you guys so much for the support. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video, and catch you on the next one.